Welcome students. Today's class 10 science chapter electricity. Today we will learn numerical problems. Students, first problem, an electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that take as much current as all three appliances? And what is the current through it? Definitely students, you have to clarify this question. स्टूडेंट्स तीन इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस हैं जिनके रेजिस्टेंस, फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक लैम्प, सेकेंड वन टोस्टर दैट्स रेजिस्टेंस 50 ohm and third one water filter that's resistance 500 ohm and connected in parallel connected. Students, it means parallel connection formula you have already learned. 1 upon r equal to 1 upon r1 plus 1 upon r2 plus 1 upon r3, and that will be r1 first resistance, that will be r2, and that definitely students 500 ohm r3, and that's also specified. You have to already notice the students in parallel connection voltage is same, and that's V, voltage V is given. Definitely students, when R is given and V is given, then we have to find out with the help of formula V equal to IR current in different instruments, appliances like lamp. What is the value of current in a lamp? What is the value of current in toaster? And what is the value of current passes through water filter? And we can total the current, and we have to find out total current in above three appliances. Now we will continue students. Solution. Given students current in lamp, लैंप में जो करंट है दैट्स आई, करंट मींस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट रिप्रेजेंट बाय आई. यहाँ पर एक सफिक्स LAMP लैंप लिख देते हैं. दैट्स स्टूडेंट्स आई लैंप दैट इज इक्वल टू I V equal to IR, I equal to V equal to IR, और then already V equal to IR using this formula students. I equal to V upon R. It means current in lamp V upon R, and that's R lamp के लिए first resistance है, that is R1. Then you can place the value voltage, that is 220. Already I have been told voltage in all the parallel connections same 220 volts and resistance 100, and this one students 2.2 ohm, 2.2 ohm. That's formula students. You can erase this 2.2 ohm. Next students, current in toaster. तो करंट इन टोस्टर I, करंट इन टोस्टर TOASTER, that's definitely students V upon R2, and students V it means voltage, that voltage same in parallel connection 220 already given in the question, and students resistance 50. 50, that's students, you can cut this, and 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 4.4 ohm, that's equal to 4.4 ohm. स्टूडेंट्स सुसेसिवली क्रम से हम करंट डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एप्लियंस में, अलग अलग एप्लियंस में क्या करंट है कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, करंट इन वाटर फिल्टर, दैट्स वाटर फिल्टर, करंट इन वाटर फिल्टर, करंट आई वाटर फिल्टर सफिक्स है और नोटिफाई ये फिल्टर. सेम फार्मूला स्टूडेंट वाटर फिल्टर की करंट के लिए भी, दैट्स V अपॉन R3 थर्ड रेजिस्टेंस. The value of V 220 volt, already parallel connection, the value of voltage is same. You have verified students 220 volts, and here specified R3 resistance in water filter 500. 500 it means student 500. That's students 0 cancel here, and that is 0.44. Sorry students, current that's unit is ampere. Sorry, that's ampere. AM P short, AM P currents. Now students, we have to total current. Total, we have find total current. Total current students, sum of the current in different appliances, lamp, toaster and water filter. That's 2.2 ampere plus 4.4 and plus 0.44 ampere, and the total will be just students 7.04 ampere. 7.04 ampere AMP inside. Students, we have already find the total voltage, and here the total current, then the resistance through electric iron current. The electric iron, students, here question in your question, what is the resistance of electric iron connected in the same source? Students, electric iron कनेक्टेड इन सेम सोर्स, उसी सोर्स से इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन जो कनेक्ट हो रहा है उसमें क्या रेजिस्टेंस होगा? तो स्टूडेंट्स V इक्वल टू आई आर, ऑलरेडी यू हैव नोटिस, R इक्वल टू V अपॉन आई, R इक्वल टू V अपॉन आई. स्टूडेंट्स R and V, the value of V, students, the value of V equal to 220 volt, 220, and the current, the total current 7.04 ampere, and after the division, the results that is equal to 31.25 ohm. Let's require result students. Now we will continue next question from this exercise. How can three resistances of resistances of 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, how can three resistances, how can three resistors of resistances of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm connected to given a total resistance connected to given connected to give a total connected to give a total resistance of number 1 4 ohm, number 2 1 ohm. निश्चित रूप से क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स you have to clarify here how can three resistors of resistances किस तरह से हम तीन रजिस्टर्स को जिनके रेजिस्टेंस जो है 2 3 6 ओम है कनेक्टेड टू गिवन रेजिस्टेंस टोटल रेजिस्टेंस 4 ओम हो जाए नेक्स्ट वन 1 ohm हो. It means that is two types of connection of resistance. You have already noticed, students, the connection of resistance in series connection and parallel connection. Now let us try, students, to solve this problem. Students, for first question, for 4 ohm, we connect for 4 ohm we connect as students तीनों रेजिस्टेंस 3 रेजिस्टेंस 2 ohm 3 ohm and 6 ohm. The total will be 4 ohm. Which types of connection, series or parallel, we have to find out. Students, let's try parallel connection. In parallel connection between 2 ohm and 3 ohm. Students, parallel connection 3 ohm and we have to check just parallel connection in of resistance that's you can write students R1 R2 and तीसरा जो होगा R3 resistance के we have named this. We have named the 3 resistance. First is R1, second is R2 and third is R3. Students, in for getting 4 ohm resistance, total resistance sum of the 3 resistance total 4 ohm. First we have to add 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistance in parallel connection. Parallel connection of resistances 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Students already clarified. Students, parallel formula 1 upon R. RP P stand for parallel. 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon resistance 1 upon R2 and 1 upon R3, and the value of R2 and R3, that's already 1 upon RP given. Students, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 6. Students, that's sum this fraction, that's 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 upon 6, and 1 upon RP, it means RP equal to students, that's fraction, ये फ्रैक्शन अपोजिट हो जाएगी, डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर 3 2 6, that's RP equal to parallel resistance 3 ohm and 6 ohms parallel resistance, the value of Rp equal to 2 ohm. Students, you have already noticed total resistance 4 ohm लेना है. हमने students already 3 and 6 ohm we have add in parallel and the total will 2. It means 3 and 6 total resistance 2, and if R1 first resistance we add in series, the total resistance, the results will be 4 ohm. It means students, you have to add Rp and R1 in series for getting 4 ohm total. Students, in series R total that is equal to 1 upon R1 plus, sorry, R total equal to R1 plus Rp, the value of parallel connection resistance. R total, it means students, R1 that is already given 2 ohm and Rp that is equal to 2 ohm we have find out after the calculation, and the sum of the total resistances, two resistances, 4 ohm. Students, just check this with the circuit diagram of connectivity of three resistances, that just in such connection, students, point A and point B, that is 2 ohm and that is R1 and that is R2, the value of R2 at 3 ohm and R3 it is 6 ohm. In such connection, you can see students, R2 3 and 6 ohm in parallel, and the resultant of 3 and 6 ohm, that's we will get, we have already find out 2 ohm, and 2 ohm, that's total 2 ohm, and already 2 ohm, that's in series, we connected in series, 2 plus 2, that is 4 ohm our required results. Now second one, to require find the total value 1 ohm. The total resistance of three resistances, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, the total resistance 1 ohm. For getting total resistance 1 ohm, the three resistances R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 equal to 3 ohm, R3 that is equal to 6 ohm. Students, how to connect these three resistances to get the total 1 ohm? First, students, you have to connect with only two connection. You have to, for your choice, already noticed, you have to connect in series, and you have, for your choice, you have connect to if you have to connect in series or you have connect to parallel. Now three resistances, 2 ohm, R1, R2, R3. That's connected student 2 ohm in the connection of parallel students 3 ohm, and that is equal to R3 6 ohm. In parallel connection students, we will get the total resistance 1 ohm using formula in parallel connection. Total resistances 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Put these value. You can write 1 upon R1 upon R total. Yeah, simply 1 upon R. R means, it means resultant R total. Distance R1 to 1 upon 3. That's 1 upon 6. The LCM will be 6. 2, 3 just 6. That's 3, 2 just 6. And that is 1. And students, you can see student 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 upon 6. And 6 and 6 also cancel. That's the total resistance 1 ohm. That's our required result.